Travel the world and find your career path with the smallest university in Canada. SSU is a small liberal arts university located in St. Stephen, New Brunswick, with BA programs that focus on critical thinking, community service, and personal and spiritual development. You'll develop the skills to articulate your ideas and opinions with courage and clarity, and tackle deep questions of faith, identity, and purpose with open-mindedness and curiosity. We're proudly Canada's smallest university, with less than 30 students enrolled each year. You won't find any lecture theaters here. Learning happens around the table, with professors who know each and every student. Sharing daily life together is at the heart of the SSU experience, with students contributing to the daily running of the university. The dorms, classrooms, dining hall, kitchen, and library are all located in the big yellow house. Best of all, every SSU degree includes 2 terms of world travel. Students earn full credit traveling with their whole class in Europe and Asia. This life-changing experience will broaden your horizons, widen your worldview, and raise your awareness of pressing global issues. Be yourself, journey together, and expand your world at St. Stephen's University.